Hello, welcome to this course on Advanced Go Programming in 7 days by Theo Despudis, a course by Pact Publishing. I am Todd Heppenstall and I will be the presenter of this course. Throughout this series of videos, we're going to explore some advanced concepts of the language, and all within a period of 7 days. We are going to focus on the practical side of things, what's really important when programming with Go at the pro level. Theo Despudis is a senior engineer having more than 5 years of experience in Go, JavaScript, Python. He also works as a tech writer, having written some in-depth technical guides in various publications. In his spare time, he likes to contribute to open source technologies such as Caddy, RQ, and others. He worked as an experienced mentor in coding boot camps and likes helping people learn how to code. You can also refer to his GitHub, Twitter, and dev.to accounts. You can see them here. He would be more than happy to answer any queries you have about programming, Go, or software engineering in general. Let's talk about the course and what it's all about. We start talking about the challenge of Go in day 1. Then we move to day 2, where we will talk about the advanced language concepts. We then move to the mastering the art of writing libraries, which we will learn in day 3. In day 4, we will learn about the art of mastering and writing command line applications. Day 5 will be all about the writing server-level code and learning how to master it. Developing microservices part 1 will be covered in day 6. During the last day of this video course, you will dig deep with microservices part 2. These are the 7 days on becoming an advanced level programmer in Go. Without further ado, let's get started.